Welcome students, I am Ujala Devangan, your maths teacher. Today I am going to explain two formula of Vedic mathematics. First, Eka न्यूनेन पूर्वेन सूत्र, and second formula Eka Dhikeन पूर्वेन and Anantayor Descapi. In your book, spelling of Anantayor Descapi is wrong. Correct spelling is Antyayordesakepi. Anantayor Descapi. We learn first Eka न्यूनेन पूर्वेन सूत्र. Meaning of this sutra is one less than before. Ek means one. न्यूनेन means less. One less than. Purven means before. One less than before. Meaning of Eka न्यूनेन Purven is one less than before. This method applicable only when the multiplier consists entirely 9. First, you know what is the multiplier. If we multiply 3 by 4, we get 12. This 4 is called multiplier. And 3 is known as multiplicand. And 12 is product. This method is applicable only when all digits of multiplier is 9. There are 3 conditions that occur between the multiplier and multiplicand. There are 3 conditions that occurs between the multiplier and multiplicand. Number 1, the number of digits is same in multiplier and multiplicand both. Second condition, the number of digits is more in multiplier than the number of digits in multiplicand. That means more's 9. And third condition is the number of digits is less than in multiplier than the number of digits in multiplicand. Now take some examples to understand the Eka न्यूनेन पूर्वेन सूत्र. This example in given in your textbook. Example number 10. Solve 63 multiplied by 99 using Eka न्यूनेन पूर्वेन method. Multiply 63 by 99. Multiplicand 63 and multiplier 99. All the digits in multiplier is 9. Now we multiply. For this, the left hand side of our answer is 63 minus 1 is 62. And right side of the answer is 99 minus this 62. We get 37. 37. Hence, 63 multiplied by 99 is equal to 6237. We take another example. Multiply 3452 by 99. Both multiplicand and multiplier have same digits. There are 4 digits. There are two parts, left part and right. Left side and right side. One less 3452 is 3451. Their left side is 3452 minus 1. We get 3451. Then 9999 minus 3451. We get 6548. This is the right side of the answer. 6548. Hence 3452 multiplied by 9999 is 3451654. We can easily multiply biggest number in one line. Another example, multiply 43 by 999. Digits of multiplier is more than digits of multiplicand. In this situation, we form both are same number of digits. We use 0 to left side of 43. Both number have same number of digits, 043 and 999. Now left part 43 minus 1, we get 42. 0 is meaningless. 4, 2. Now 999 minus 042, we get 957. This is the right side, 957. Hence 43 multiply 999, we get answer 42,957. Next, 438 multiplied by 99. Here digits of multiplier is less than number of digits of multiplicand. In this situation, we less 1 of 438, that means 437, and keep 99. Now we subtract this 437. This subtract 437. Answer is hence 438 multiply 99 is 43,362. We take another example. 7589 multiplied by 999. We get 1 less than 7589. We get 7588 and keep 999 as it is. Now minus, subtract this 7588 from the number. We get 114187. Hence 7,589 multiplied by 999 is equal to 75,81,411. I hope students you are understand the Eka-Ninian Purvain Sutra. Now we explain second formula, that is Ekadhikain Purvain Anantyor Descapi. Ekadhikain means ek adhik, one more. This method applicable only when sum of unit digit is 10 and remaining digits are the same. Necessary condition. There are two necessary conditions. First condition is sum of unit digit is 10 and second is remaining digits are the same. We take one example. 57 multiplied to 53. Now check the necessary condition. Sum of unit place. This place is called unit and that place is 100 place. Sum of unit place. Sum of 7 and 3 is 10. First condition is fulfilled. And second condition, remaining numbers. Remaining numbers are 5 and 5. Both are equal. So in 57 multiplied by 53, we can use Ekadhikain Purvain Sutra. Now we can solve this question. Solution of this question has two parts, right part and left part. First we multiply unit digits. 7 3 is a 21. Now we more 1 from the number. If we more 1, that means 5 turn into 6. And this 6 multiplied by 5, we get 30. So our answer is 57 multiplied by 53 is equal to 3021. We take another example. 36 multiplied to 34. Sum of the unit place is 10 and remaining number are same. So again we apply Ekadhikain Purvain and Anantyor Descapi Sutra. This has two parts. Right part is 6 4 is 24 and left part 1 more, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 36 multiplied by 34 is, answer is 1224. We take another example. 202 multiplied by 208. Sum of unit place 2 8 10 and remaining digits are same. 2 8 is 16 and 21, 1 more 21, 20 more 1 is 21, 20 plus 1 is 21 and 21 multiplied by 20. 21 0 is 0, 21 2 is 42. So 202 multiplied by 208 is 42,016. We take another example. 41 multiplied by 49. Sum of unit place is 10 and remaining number are same. 9 1 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. In right part always we take two digits. For example, there are two digits 16. So in this place also we take 2 digit. So we put 0 on left side of 9. 41 multiplied by 49 is equal to 1609. We take another question. 401 multiplied by 409. Nine ones are 9, but in right place, right part, we take 2 digits, so we put 0. 40 more than 1 is 41, and 41 multiplied by 40. 41 0 ja 0 and 41 4 ja 164. So 401 multiplied by 409 is equal to 1,64,009. I hope students you are understand एकान्यूनेन पूर्वेण सूत्र and एकाधिकेन पूर्वेण and अनंतयोर देशकेपी सूत्र. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.